Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the disk write error from Metaphor Refantazio. Okay, the first step is to ensure you have enough disk space, so open File Explorer, right click on the disk, go to Properties, and then make sure you have enough space. You want probably something like 80 gigs at the very least. If you want to play this game, if you have less than that, the game will pretty much crash. So what you want to do is you want to, if you're getting this error, you want to uninstall the game, then restart the installation on a different drive, and then cancel the installation, and then restart it on the primary drive that you tried to do it begin with, and see if that works. The second solution is to disable and re-enable write caching. So how do you do that? Press the Windows key, press X. This will come up, select Device Manager, locate your SSD, or in my case an SSD, so this drive here, right click, say Properties, and from here go to Policies, and you want to enable write caching on this device. So click this off and then click OK, and then restart the installation. Then after you've installed it, go back and enable this again. Okay, do that, see if that fixes it. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you.